Hey loves, do you want to learn how to fix an old closure or frontal just using only 4 steps? If yes, please continue to watch this video to the end. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for tuning in today. I'm Okeke Jennifer, a Nigerian-based YouTuber. First step is to cut out small portion of the weave-on or wig using either razor or scissors. Second step is to cut out the bands from the weave-on and then brush very well so that all the small or short length hairs will fall off. The third step is to use a comb to section out where there's no much hairs, and then you use the brass holder to hold the side so that they won't cover where you want to ventilate. Fourth and the final step is to ventilate, filling in all the gaps on the net and then following the lines on the net. Push the ventilating needle through the lace and pick up a string of hair, just the string, drag it out and take the two ends through the loop to create a knot. We'll leave a link on how to ventilate and where to get ventilating needles and mannequin in the description box below, so in case if you are interested. If you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please do so by clicking the subscribe button below and also on your notification button so you don't get to miss any new video from me. So yeah. Thanks so much for watching this video to the end, and don't forget to share to friends and family and give this video a big thumbs up. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.